So there's this little guard. Take that off first. Plastic? I don't know. Just different metal. Okay, so this is PCI Express slot. Take that guy out. Oh no. That will go there. Oh, so am I supposed to route? Great. So. Oh, so you can see that's what it goes. No. Okay. Cool. So that plugs in nicely, and then yeah, that's behind. These cables are relatively hidden. Sometimes. That's just to help keep dust out. And you need, yeah, and the gap is for the tab. You need that to install. It was like this. Yeah. Come on. That's basically it. And I'm pretty happy. I mean, it's pretty clean. We'll cover all this up. Just see the card. Spin it around. Yeah, this stuff's kind of annoying. Covers the... But... And then this stuff will just have to be smushed when you actually close the case, but I guess that's okay. So yeah, we turn it on. Alright. I guess time to plug it in and give it a whirl.